Pearl, our question for today is, does our curriculum work with children who have dyslexia?
And this is a question I've gotten a lot via email, and I always say yes, because even though it's not been specifically designed in all aspects for children with dyslexia, it has many components that will be appealing and helpful for children with dyslexia. So one aspect is that there are so many hands-on components in our curriculum. A child with dyslexia is likely to be frustrated if all of their education is bookwork. And so it's really helpful to have some hands-on components to break that up. Another aspect is how many of our components have been designed for children with dyslexia. So not all components, but some. So all about reading, in particular, in grades pre-K through second grade. And you can also put in all about spelling, which is not typically part of our curriculum kit, but can be customized in. Also great for children with dyslexia. And then from there, I usually encourage the parents to customize. So if they let me know what grade their child is or what types of topics they're covering, I can help them find audiobook versions of science sometimes or of history, sometimes both, depending on the grade. And then one last resource I always recommend to parents of children with dyslexia is called TTRS, which stands for Touch, Type, Read, and Spell. And I love this program. It's really a mashup of multiple things. It teaches typing. It works on phonics and spelling, although it doesn't really teach it comprehensively. So if you're looking for a phonics and spelling program that stands alone, that's probably not it. But it will be immensely helpful for students with dyslexia because it's so phonics-based, based on the Orton-Gillingham approach, just like All About Learning Press's materials are. So that's what I would say.
All right, well, thank you, Pearl.